Hey, casual crypto investor family. It is the casual crypto investor, and I am back with another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about one of my favorite cryptocurrencies, one of my favorite community tokens out there outside of XRP. This is more of a fun one, right? And that one is Shiba Inu. I've been a long term Shiba Inu holder for quite a while, and I'm super excited about the future of it. I have a great article that I want to share with you in regards to where Shiba Inu can go in terms of price. The media outlet that I'm actually choosing to look at and the content that I'm going to be sharing with you is from the Motley Fool. Love them or hate them. I know some people love the Motley Fool. I know some people hate the Motley Fool. But sometimes you got to read in between the lines. And even though it's a particular media outlet that you might care for or even might not care for, right? It's still good to read and dissect what they are talking about. And obviously these guys too as well, they do this on a consistent basis. Their life is looking at research and across different spaces, right? Obviously the stock market, that's primarily what they mainly lean towards, but then they also do cover the crypto space too as well. But I think they bring up some good points in terms of catalysts that could basically lead to a price jump in Shiba Inu, right? Or potentially lead to a price jump. Again, this is not financial advice by any means, but this is just a guy on here who's trying to accomplish that financial dream through crypto and being financially free. And I think crypto is a great vehicle to do that. And so that's what I've decided to do and share in terms of information with you today. So before we get into the article, just let's take a glance at the overall crypto market. Currently, we are down 2.22%. So again, we're pulling back a little bit. Same kind of deal as yesterday. We're sitting at a $2.53 trillion market cap. Bitcoin is pretty much kind of being Bitcoin right now, I guess, kind of blah right now. I mean, the overall crypto market's kind of blah right now. Ethereum is up on the 1 hour slightly. XRP is actually, man, it's under 65 cents. So, man, who knows? It might get down as low as 59. Who knows? But if it does, I'm definitely going to be backing up the truck and buying some more XRP. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu. Currently, right now on the 1 hour, we had a great day yesterday. It was up like 17%. But currently, right now on the 1 hour, it's at 0.25%. And we are down on the 24-hour significantly and the 7 days. So again, I'm not too worried about it. I definitely think people are selling off. But again, when the market is cooling off like this or it's down, it's a great opportunity when things are on sale, right? I mean, it's just common sense. If the grocery store items at the grocery store are on sale, you shop, right? Or you buy that extra box of cereal or lunch meat or whatever the situation is, right? So that's the way I look at it. All right. Quick shameless plug. Feel free to follow me on my Twitter. It's a great way for you to stay in contact with me. I do tweet more than I post videos. So if you like to, stay engaged with me, or if there's particular projects you want me to share, feel free to hit me up on my Twitter at Casual Crypto Investor. All right. So let's get into it. So it says cryptocurrencies are soaring. Will 2024 be the year that Shiba Inu hits $1? Right. So let me just back this up. Right. You see so many posts nowadays with videos saying that Shiba Inu is going to go to $1, $10, $100, all this kind of stuff, right? I feel like any crypto that's under $1, you always hear it. So it's saying that it's going to reach $1 or $10 or $100, right? And not to say that these particular projects can't, but we have to be realistic. I mean, the market cap for Shiba Inu to hit $1 would just be astronomical, right? But right, I think the thing that I really want to focus on, this article looks at some of the things that we need to focus on is what could send Shiba Inu higher, right? What are the variables that could send Shiba to a higher price point? And that's what we need to look at, right? We obviously know gaming is a part of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, and in the early stages when the Shiba Eternity game came out, we saw some even flows of some gains and stuff like that, but we didn't really see it do what we really wanted it to do, right? But I think it's good to look at different opinions and look at other catalysts that could hopefully lead to a rise in the price of Shiba Inu, right? So I'm not going to get all into the areas of this article that don't really pertain to what I'm trying to share with you in terms of content, but I mainly want to just look at what are the catalysts that could potentially send Shiba Inu higher, right? So let's get into it. So it says the combined market capitalization of the cryptocurrency market has railed roughly 106% over the last year to reach 1.76 trillion. Meanwhile, Shiba Inu's token price is up roughly 20% across the stretch. Those gains come in significantly below Bitcoin's return of 157% and Ethereum's 86% returns, but it's clear that Shiba Inu is benefiting from the momentum in the broader crypto space, right? Moving on, it says the token is seeing strong gains in 2024 thanks to positive momentum for the broader crypto market. Cryptocurrencies have been enjoying a strong bullish run lately, and expectations that the Federal Reserve will pivot to rate cuts. Sorry about that. That was my ESPN going off or Fox News going off. I love sports. Sorry about that. But moving on, it says that the Federal Reserve will pivot to rate cuts in 2024 are likely a factor. Lowest interest rates make it cheaper to borrow money and generally make investors willing to take on more risk. This is a good thing when it comes to valuations for speculations, assets, and equities, right? So again, that's a catalyst that we need to keep an eye out for, right? An eye out for lower interest rates, right? If you have lower interest rates, that frees up cash, which will allow big investors to come into the Shiba Inu market, right? If the Fed does cut rates significantly this year, and development could continue boosting the market at a large and benefit SHIB in particular. There are some features and projects connected to the Shiba Inu universe that could help send the token higher, right? So we have the Shibarium Layer 2 solution for improving transaction speed, can help bolster adoption for the cryptocurrency. We have that now. During the bull run, we didn't have Shibarium. We have the metaverse, online virtual world connected to the token, might also promote the coin and power some gains, right? We have the metaverse out there. Neither of these potential catalysts look likely to be major performance drivers at the moment, but it is possible they will catch investors off guard, right? And so we have these things in the wing, so to speak, and we haven't really seen them being pushed to the forefront, but they are there, right? And those are variables that can contribute to a higher price point, right? Shiba Inu's most explosive days of growth are almost certainly in the rearview mirror, but it is possible that the token could climb significantly above current levels. Investors should approach the crypto with realistic expectations and understand that there is a significant downside risk as well. Well, there's always a downside or risk whenever investing in anything, right? So that's Shiba Inu, that's real estate, that's stocks, that's a new business. Anything you have the chance of losing money, right? And if you invest it, right? But you also have the flip side of that. You have the opportunity to make money too as well. And I will say that, there's a lot of things with Shiba Inu in the particular project that kind of stalled a little bit. But I mean, we've had so many things tossed at the crypto market. We've had exchanges gone down. We've had war. We've had the economy. We've had so many things. But I'm actually very, very happy considering all these things that have been thrown at the crypto market, right? Not just Shiba Inu, but the entire crypto market, and we've still been able to be fairly resilient. And obviously, we have the crypto of the Bitcoin halving coming up in 30 days or 28 days or something like that. That could be another catalyst too as well, which this article didn't mention, which could propel just the overall crypto market to higher gains. So I think we have a lot to be excited for the future. But at the same time, I think we need to have a realistic expectation for the future, right? Will Shiba Inu hit $1 in the future? I would love it to hit $1, right? We all would. But realistically, is that realistic? No. So, be faithful, be consistent with what you're doing and be realistic is half the battle right there. But I do think we have a lot of things that could basically, a lot of positive things to look forward to is what I'm trying to say in regards to Shiba Inu and just the overall crypto space. So that's my take on it. If you like this type of content, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.